Let's take a look at this portable air compressor. Comes with a manual. Here's the compressor. Power display on here by pressing. So these always are a pain. There is a little protective layer and the sticker's supposed to pull it off, but most times the sticker doesn't. So you might have to get a knife or something to peel off that extra layer, but you don't have to peel it off. Alright, so as we cycle through the settings, you have kPa, bar, PSI, and you got a couple presets on here. You can plus and minus the PSI and all that fun stuff. You have a light on here as well. Press and hold it. It's pretty decent light. Flashing mode, rapid flash, and press and hold to turn it off. Type-C port for charging. Put your air compressor line in here. They give you your charging cable, extensions for different things like basketballs, inflatables, and all that fun stuff. Let's go ahead and test the auto off feature. Press and hold the power button. So it does have a good auto off feature. So that means when it hits your PSI, it turns off. It's actually pretty rapid turn off, which is very good. Overall, it's a nice air compressor. It's not going to inflate, you know, the bigger the object, the slower it's going to inflate. So just keep that in mind, but it's good for basketballs, tires, and small inner tubes and related stuff like that. Bigger things, the bigger it is, the slower it's going to take, guys.